The Chevrolet Camaro, an iconic symbol of American muscle, has seen significant developments recently. In March 2023, Chevrolet announced that the sixth-generation Camaro would conclude its production at the end of the 2024 model year, with the final units rolling off the assembly line in January 2024. This decision marked the end of a 9-year run for this generation, which began in 2016. Despite the discontinuation, Chevrolet assured enthusiasts that this is not the end of Camaro's story, hinting at future plans for the beloved nameplate. To commemorate the final year of production, Chevrolet introduced a special collector's edition for the 2024 Camaro. While specific details were initially scarce, the package was said to have ties that date back to the development of the first-generation Camaro in the 1960s and referenced the original codename, Panther. The collector's edition was available on the RS and SS models, as well as a limited number of the high-performance ZL1 variant. As of early 2025, reports indicated that a few new Camaros were still available for purchase. Chevrolet's inventory locator revealed that 37 new 2024 Camaros remained, including one in Hawaii. Among these, 31 featured the 3.6-liter V6 engine, and 29 were convertibles. There were also 4 Camaro SS models, each equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, and 2 high-performance ZL1S, including a collector's edition. Prices ranged from $37,535 for a blue V6 coupe with a manual transmission to $94,320 for the ZL1 collector's edition. Looking ahead, General Motors has not abandoned the Camaro legacy. Reports from January 2025 suggest that GM is considering a next-generation Camaro with a focus on affordability and attainability. The company emphasizes that if a future Camaro cannot be offered at an accessible price point, it may not proceed with production. This approach indicates GM's commitment to keeping the Camaro within reach for a broad range of enthusiasts. In the realm of motorsports, the Camaro continues to make its mark. In 2023, a modified Camaro ZL1 participated in the 24 Hours of Le Mans as part of NASCAR's Garage 56 project. The entry was a collaboration between NASCAR, Hendrick Motorsports, Chevrolet, and Goodyear, showcasing the versatility and performance capabilities of the Camaro on an international stage. The Camaro's journey reflects a blend of heritage and innovation. While the conclusion of the sixth generation marks the end of a chapter, Chevrolet's hints at future developments suggest that the Camaro's legacy will continue, potentially embracing new technologies and design philosophies to meet the evolving demands of the automotive world. As we await official announcements, the automotive community remains eager to see how Chevrolet will navigate the Camaro's future, balancing its storied past with the innovations of tomorrow.